So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can fully delete pre-installed apps on your iPhone. So for example, if you've got a brand new iPhone, you will know that there is a lot of preloaded apps that come on your iPhone, which are sometimes, irrelevant to what you need to use it for, or just apps that you will not ever use. So you want to free up some storage or just get rid and make your iPhone look a little bit better, right? So for example, as you can see here on this page, there is a couple of different preloaded apps that I can go ahead and see. So for example, one of those will be iTunes Store, sorry. And then as you can see, what we can do to delete this and remove this from our iPhone is to simply click and hold down. And then you will now see an option for remove app. You want to click on this. And then what you will now notice is that you will then be able to remove from home screen or delete the app. If you remove it from home screen, it will still be downloaded and accessible. But if you delete the app, that will then totally remove it from your iPhone. So just click on the delete app option, and that will then remove that preloaded app from your iPhone screen.